Good evening. Mercy for the soul, rest for the body. Merciful Jesus, wash me clean. Forgive my sins and help me forgive others. Let your mercy cover my heart tonight. I rest in your love. Amen. Good night. God bless you.
Against the wickedness and snares that try to bind, stand beside us now, guard our heart and mind. We humble ourselves